Hello, welcome back, kittens. All right, so I think it'd be a really good idea to see if you can pause the video and try to solve this on your own first, and then come back. All right, so I'm going to give you a minute to try to do this on your own and then see how you do. And I'm going to change my color here. Let's do a nice orange. All right, now welcome back. So I'm going to try this first equation, and I'm going to rewrite this. I have 2x plus 3y, that's a plus sign, less than negative 3. I need to isolate my y value, so I'm going to, negative 2x is in the way, so I'm going to subtract that. And I'm going to subtract it from both sides, so then I'm left with 3y is less than negative 2x minus 3. Now I need to divide 3, I need to divide 3 from all terms. So then that's going to leave me with y is less than negative 2/3 x minus 1. Now I'm going to graph this, so I'm going to go to negative 1 on my graph, and I'm going to go down 1, 2, and then right 3. 1, 2, 3, down 2, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go back to where I began, up 2, and then 1, 2, 3 left. Up 2, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, you can see the here the crew in the background. You know, I'm the cat lady. All right, our symbol is going to be dashed. And I'm going to shade. Below. My symbol is less than, I'm going to shade it below. Again, you can check the coordinate point 0, 0. 0, 0 in terms of this, so I have 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to negative 2/3 times 0 minus 1. 0 is less than negative 1. That is false. That is not true. So then therefore, the coordinate point 0, 0 should not be shaded. So we want to shade the opposite side of our boundary line. Now I'm going to talk about x is less than 3. That is a vertical line. I'm going to go to, I have no slope. In fact, since it's a vertical line, my slope is undefined. So I'm going to go to 1, 2, 3 on here. And again, my line should be dotted or dashed. Okay, it's not going to be a solid line. Okay, now I'm going to shade. Here's where it gets a little tricky in terms of the inequality. Well, I'm going to check the point 0, 0 by looking at whether or not I need to show to the left or the right. I'm going to look at my inequality, and I'm going to check the point 0, 0. 0 is less than 3. That's true. So that means that I need to shade to the left of my graph. Okay, and again, all of the areas that are where the shades overlap, that is the solution to the inequality. Okay, so all this region right in here is a solution. All right, now let's check our coordinate points. We have negative 2, negative 1. So negative 2, negative 1, that is a solution. We're going to check 1, negative 2. So I'm going to go 1, 1, 2. That is not a solution because it lies on the boundary line. We have 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then positive 1. That's also not a solution. And then I'm going to check 2. So 1, 2, and then negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the point there. That is a solution. And then let's check 3 and then 5. Of course, that is obviously not a solution. So the only two coordinate points, or the only two ordered pairs that are solution that were given, other ones that were given are negative 2, 1, and 2, negative 5. All right. Let me go ahead and try to do number 3 real quick. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do number 3 on this one. All right, so we're going to do number 3, and if you'd like to, go ahead and try to pause the video and see if you can do it on your own, and then come back. All right, welcome back. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to graph x plus 4y greater than negative 8. I need to isolate the y, so I'm going to add x. So that becomes 0. Then I'm left with 4y is greater than x minus 8. Divide by 4. Y is greater than x minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I'm going to go to negative 2 on my graph, and I'm going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, so it's all the way right here. And then I'm going to go the other way. Shh. And I'm going to dash my line. And I'm going to shade above. Okay, the above my line is going to be shaded. Again, 0 is, well, let's see. Hold on, actually, I think I did that wrong. 0 is, oh, no, I did do that right. 0 is greater than negative true. That's true, so it should be shaded. All right, so now we're going to go to our next one. Let's do black. All right. So the next equation I have here is x plus y is less than 3. I'm going to subtract x, y is less than or equal to negative x plus 3. So I'm going to go to 1, 2, 3. So right there. I'm down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And the opposite direction. All right, now my line is going to be solid because I have that little line underneath my inequality symbol. And I'm going to shade below. So let me pick a different color. I like pink. Pink is my favorite color. So I'm going to try pink. All right. So again, the region that is true is this region here that I'm coloring. That is going to be in the double where the lines, the colors overlap. Okay. Now I'm going to check the point 3, positive 1. So I'm going to go to negative 3, 2, 3, and then up 1. That's the coordinate point right there. That is a solution. That is true. Now I'm going to check negative 1. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the solution right there. And do a different color. I'm going to do red. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the solution right there. That is also a solution because it lies in the shaded region and it is on the solid line. I'm going to check the coordinate point 3, 0. So 1, 2, 3. That is not a solution. Doesn't even lie where the shaded regions are both at. So that is not a solution. Now let's check 0, negative 2. Okay, that lies right there. Again, that is not a solution because that's on the dashed line. Now let's check 2, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That again is not a solution. So of the 5 that were given, the only 2 are the first 2. All right. I will see you in the next video where I will do example number 4. See you then.